Hi guys, and today we are going to do another showcase on a rare cat. Looks like the rare cat today is Witch Cat or Sorceress Cat. So, Witch Cat or Sorceress Cat floats in the air, uses her magic wand to attack using weird spells. And might still red enemies, and it does basically the same attack as most cats, and it's one of the it's about the same. It's about the average cost of a rare cat. So here's the witch cat. Whee! On its little broomstick, ready to attack. So yeah. In strategies, I wouldn't use the witch cat to do stuff. If any rare cat you would use of mine, I would say you use the swordsman or swordmaster, because he does incredibly large damage to red enemies. He's one of the cats I used when I beat Chapter 3 Moon, which took a long time to beat. Yeah. I had my friend Kevin Hugh teach me a strategy out of his mind, and it actually worked. Before I was getting him down to like 80%. It was bad. Okay, so anyways, back to the showcase. So now this is the evolved version of Witch Cat, the Sorceress Cat. And now we are doing Korea for the 32nd time. Woo! This is the Sorceress Cat. Looks like it has a little bird, it has a cooler broom, and it has an actual staff. And the hat is more advanced. Pew! So it doesn't do area attack. It does not have range whatsoever. So I wouldn't really use it in strategies. It's just what I got. So that was the Sorceress Cat or Witch Cat. And stay tuned for more showcases or any battles, actually. Bye!